DAJA S4 light burn, convection operation. Open the machine packaging. Take out the packaging foam, cotton, and accessories one by one. Place the machine on a flat surface. Take out the thicker screws in the bag. Install the lifting column. Align the two holes of the lifting column. Align the two holes on the left and right of the engraving platform. And fix it with screws. Tighten it again. Install the light path module. The 4 holes in front of the light path module align with the fixed platform of the lifting column. And fix it with screws. The machine is installed. S4 Pro, power cord, USB cable, USB drive, locator, hexagon wrench, focus fixing test pieces, foot switch, ruler, heightening column, 200 mm field lens. There are also optional tools. RT5 roller rotary axis, RT2 roller rotating fixture. Next, we replace the field lens. Place the machine on a flat surface. Take out the 200 mm field lens. Take down the 110 mm field lens on the optical path module. The protective cover can be removed or not. The 110 mm field lens just taken down from the optical path module. It has a protective shell. It is also the installation of the field lens. Adapter of the optical path module. We also remove it. Take off the field lens, then put the protective cover back on. Please remove the protective cover of the 200 mm field lens. Covered on the 110 mm field lens. Then remove the protective cover on the other end. Then install the protective shell onto the 200 mm field lens. Tighten it. Install it on the optical module. Tighten it. Next, install the heightening column. The 2 holes of the lifting column. Align the 2 holes on the left and right of the engraving platform. Note the installation direction. The threaded hole should be up, and fix it with screws. Then install the manual lifting column. And fix it with screws. Install the optical path module. The 4 holes in front of the light path module align with the fixed platform of the lifting column. And fix it with screws. Power cord. Plug in the power cord. Remove the lens cover. 110mm field mirror logo, cell 1064110160 to P. 200mm field mirror logo, cell 1064200 to 90 to P. To install the new field lens, remove the protective covers. The replaced endoscope needs to be covered with both ends. Keep it in a dry environment and store it properly. The square table has 2 characteristics of the endoscope. Change the field lens as needed.